Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the leveling legs in the Samsung dryer. Let's get started. The main reason you would need to replace the leveling leg is if it gets lost or damaged while moving the dryer. To raise the dryer, place a block or blocks in front of the dryer, tilt the dryer up, and slide the blocks under and rest in place. To remove the leveling leg, turn it counterclockwise until it releases from the dryer. If you have a bad or missing leveling leg and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the leveling leg, align it, then turn clockwise to the desired position. When finished, remove the blocks by tilting the dryer up and sliding the blocks from under the dryer. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.